It's dry where the tent is, right? Alright, I guess we'll get to tearing these air conditioners apart, get them off this deck. There's a bunch of sealed units up here too I gotta move. A couple over here. So we'll get these tore apart real quick. Good thing we got the tent put together yesterday. Really? Ew. Come on. It's copper. It's fine, but it's copper. What's up? Not yet. They're getting close though. Yeah. We need some really warm nights, but I'm thinking beginning next week, maybe middle. So they're coming. All right. Yep. People stopping already wanting to buy blueberries. They ain't ready yet. They're coming though. Make sure you come back. They'll be back. They always come back. And like I said, a lot of people know that we have them. We usually have them like 2 weeks before everybody else. So we get a really good 2 weeks of nobody else having them, you know, to flood the market. But we'll get there. It's probably going to be next week by the looks of it. Today's already Thursday. I could probably maybe pick some this weekend, but ain't going to be a lot. Sometimes you're better off just waiting. Start putting signs out now, have everybody stopping. If I don't have enough, they get disgruntled. So. This is a pretty big one. It's got a big motor in it. It's like that one over there. That one's pretty big too. This one over here, I don't know if it's in the screen. Yeah, you can see it. I actually was using that last year to blow on me. while I was working on stuff. Rain though, that shit still works. Rain, snow, probably fire right back up. That one's too big. Now it's not. Alright, well, we got most of them done except for that guy because it still works. So we'll have to get the gas taken out of that thing if we're going to do something with it. If not, we might just use it for blowing on us when it gets real hot. But look at that. Tell me why that air conditioner wasn't working, huh? Wow. Yeah, how many CFMs did you get through that bad boy right there? The air conditioner's not working. Yeah, I wonder why. Alright, we got some sealed units, and all these got to get drained and cut open. I didn't take this motor apart. I did take that one apart. It was aluminum wound, so that one's going to go as a motor. This one I got to cut off. The bolts are too rusty. But let's go check the blueberries. Still pretty red. They're coming in. Might have a couple blue ones. A lot of red ones though. Maybe we'll get lucky and be able to pick some this weekend. I don't know. It's supposed to be like 90s at the end of the week, so they might start popping. Look at these two here. They're probably ready. A couple of them on this bush. There's this one bush down here. It might be this one. Look at this thing. It is loaded. They're all pretty good, but there's like one or two right here that are just crazy. Where's the other? This one. Yeah, I seen it when I was mowing yesterday. She got a lot on there. So, you know, we probably could come pick these red ones and they would turn, but they'll be a little sour. We'll give them another day. It's supposed to rain all day today anyway. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe. Check out some old videos. We're going to be pretty busy here pretty soon. They definitely took the water up really nice though. So that's cool. If we can keep the birds out of here. At least it's fun trying, right? Can always tell when there's little boys around, right? Sticking sticks in holes. Come on, people. Don't worry, girl. Don't look. Don't look. It's not you on the rollback yet. You're okay. You're okay.